Ian Samuel, come on.
E-I-O-U.
Very good, Ian. Even Ian sang it like that. Very good. So all of you seem to remember. Ojas, you're left. Come on, Ojas. Ojas, let's hear your vowels.
I-O-U.
Very good, Ojas. Very good, very good. Remember to mute after you all talk, children. Aradhya, did you say the vowels for me?
Yes.
All right, all right. I forgot. I couldn't remember whether I asked. Nivant, you're the one who didn't say. Come on, Nivant. Vowels.
A-E-I-O-U.
Excellent. So all of you remember your vowels. That's very good. We did one full week with a lot of vowels in it at that point. Now we will go over it again. Okay, one of these classes that we do in October. That's very good. All of you remember it, which is fabulous, huh, children? Really very good for your age. Now, before we slow down, let's take a sip of water and do a little bit more dancing before we settle down again. Okay, one sip. Everybody take a sip of water. You must
Teacher,
drink
I've not
water.
got my bottle.
Get
Got my bottle.
get it, no, darling. You're in the house. Get a little bit of water.
Teacher,
It's very
look
good for
at
health,
this.
Aradhya.
Do you want to see a magic? Look.
Yes. Show me. Oh, very nice. Come on, drink, drink, drink. All of you drink one sip of water. It's part of your class. You must keep your water bottle during class. And children, when you are dancing, please see that you don't bang any chair and all, okay? Sometimes you can hurt your toe or something. Be careful. Be careful that there is no chair and all next to you.
I hurt it many times when I was dancing right now.
Really? But why, Sanvi? You must be careful, darling.
Okay.
Will you please be careful? I don't want you to get hurt.
Yes.
Okay? All right. Are you all ready now? You all are ready? Ready? Let's do the song that we did last time. Okay? Which one do y'all want to do Baby Beluga first? Shall we do Baby Beluga first?
Yes.
Baby Beluga. All of you love Baby Beluga. I remember. Who can sing the song for me? Who can remember the song?
I know.
Wow, lovely, lovely, lovely. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice.
Money.
Okay, now
I know.
listen to me, children. Oh, Manit, you're going to sing? Come on, sing. Come on.
Baby beluga, swimming, baby
But very good. You remember the
beluga.
tune. Baby Beluga. Oh, baby Beluga. Is your mama home? Remember that part? Okay, let's sing. Ready? Everyone stand up. Now remember, during Baby Beluga, there are some parts where there is not much action. So let me show you. So you must sway like this. You must sway. Sway. Sway from side to side like this when there is no action. Otherwise, Baby Beluga in the deep blue sea, swimming wild and swimming free. Heaven above and the sea below, and the big white whale on the go. Remember that, okay? Some actions we have to start slowly and steadily. I'll start training you.
Big white whale is a little white whale.
A little wild whale on the go. Sorry. I'm so you. Wow, Aradhya, you corrected my word. Awesome. Clap hands for Aradhya. It is little white whale on the go. Okay, come on. Ready? Very good, Aradhya. Awesome. Come on, stand up to dance now. Aradhya, come on, up, Dhruv, up. Everybody out of their chairs. Ready to dance? Come on, Aradhya. Aradhya, we're waiting for you. Come on, children. Everybody in the chair. Jaden, you're ready to dance? Come on. Okie dokie. I'm also ready to dance. Okie dokie. Give me 2 seconds, okay, children? Just sharing my screen. Baby Beluga, oh baby Beluga, is your mama home? Oh, there's our Baby Beluga song. Okay, let me put my video panel on and then I'm ready to go. Come on, get ready, children. Get ready, come on. Ready? Come on. Learn to sway like this. Move like me, come on. Radhya, come on. Beluga in the deep blue sea. Swim so wild and you swim so free. Heaven above and the sea below, and the little white whale on the go. Baby beluga. Move your hands, Kabir, like this. Kabir, Shaurya, come on.
Is the
Everyone,
one
move your hands.
is your mama home with you so happy? Way down yonder where the
Where
dolphins play, where they dive and splash all day. Waves rolling and the waves roll out. See the water squirting
Coming
out of your spout. Baby beluga.
Very good, Aradhya.
Baby
Come on, Jaden.
beluga.
Come on.
Sing
Yes.
a little song.
Come on.
Sing for all your friends.
Tanvi.
We like to hear you.
Yeah, come on. Come on. Play like this. Like, oh, you were dancing earlier? Pointers, come on. Aradhya, you're dancing. Dhruv, Shaurya, Kabir. Learn to sway. Sway. See, like this. Move your legs and your hands.
When it's dark, you're home and fed, curled up snug in your water bed. Moon is shining and the stars are out. Good night, little whale, good night. Baby beluga, oh baby beluga. With tomorrow's sun, another day's begun. You'll soon be waking. Baby beluga in the deep blue sea. Swim so wild and you swim so free. Heaven above and the sea below, and a little white whale on the go. You're just a little white whale on the go.
Oh, lovely, lovely. After long, we heard that song, no, children? After long, it felt like that. I feel like hearing it after a long time. Sometimes I feel like I haven't heard Baby Beluga for so long. Now,
Teacher,
I'm
it was fun.
it was a cute song. No? It's a very cute song. It's a very rare song, actually. It was a Disney, I think it was a Disney movie some time ago.
White color.
What, darling? What?
I like white color, red color, pink color.
Those are your favorite colors? Those are your favorite colors? Okay, I'm going to introduce a new song today because we must introduce ourselves to newer songs also, even though we like some old songs. It's a fun song. It's very cute. There's some actions in it. So I want you all to pay attention. All of you must stand up. First, take one sip of water. First, take a sip of water. All of you, take one sip of water. Take one sip of water for me. Come on, quickly. Like how teacher's taking. Okay. You can see my screen. No? Yes. I'm going to play a song for you all called Wiggly Woo. I like the name of the song only.
This is my mother.
What, darling?
This is my mother.
Where, baby? Oh, hello. Oh, that's so sweet. You're showing me Mama's photograph. Okay. Shaurya, are you ready to dance? Thank you for sharing that with me, Shaurya. Come on. Are you ready to dance? Now, remember, we don't know all the actions for this song, but we will learn. This song is about a worm called Mr. Wiggly Woo. What's his name? Wiggly Woo. Aradhya, what's his name? Aradhya, what is the worm's name?
Wiggly Woo.
Aradhya?
Wiggly Woo.
Correct. Wiggly Woo. Aradhya, you're a
What's
smart girl.
Wiggly Woo?
Wiggly Woo means a crooked little worm who goes around like that. Do worms walk, like move straight? They can't, no, they move twing, 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 because they are like a little wire, okay? But a soft wire. Can't even call them a wire. Are you all ready to look at the new song? It's very cute, okay?
Yes, I am ready.
Oh no, it's not playing the sound. 1 second. 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. Hold on. Hold on a second. Give me 1 second. 1 minute, children. Sorry. Sometimes that can happen when there are. Now you can see my screen, correct? Let us see if Wiggly Boo is playing now. 1 minute. Hold on, hold on. Where is Mr. Wiggly Boo? Why is it not playing? Now it's playing. Hold on. You can see my screen, right? All right. Everybody stand up. Ian, stand up. Ready? Ready? Ready to dance now? It's very cute.
There's a worm in the bottom of my garden, and his name is Wiggly Woo. There's a worm in the bottom of my garden, and all he wants to do is wiggle all night and wiggle all day. Whatever else the people will say, there's a worm in the bottom of my garden, and his name is Wiggly Woo.
See how crooked he looks? So you can do this, see? Move your legs and hands. Learn to dance. Come on.
There's a worm in the bottom of my garden, and his name is Wiggly Woo. There's a worm in the bottom of my garden, and all he wants to do is wiggle over here, wiggle over there, wiggle down low, and wiggle in the air. There's a worm in the bottom of my garden, and his name is Wiggly Woo. There's a worm in the bottom of my garden, and his name is Wiggly Woo. There's a worm in the bottom of my garden, and all he wants to do is wiggle all day and wiggle all night. Wiggle to the left and wiggle to the right. There's a worm in the bottom of my garden, and his name is Wiggly Woo. There's a worm in the bottom of my garden, and his name is Wiggly Woo. There's a worm in the bottom of my garden, and all he wants to do is wiggle to the sky and wiggle to the ground. Wiggle in a circle, wiggle all around. There's a worm in the bottom of my garden, and his name is Wiggly Woo.
It's a very cute song, small, short song, but a sweet song. So, has anybody seen a worm?
So sweet, so sweet, so sweet.
Huh? Have you all seen a worm? Has anybody
Not
seen
me.
Not
Saw.
seen? You saw? Rianshi, how did you
Not
see?
me.
Okay, one at Okay. Okay, wait
I
now.
saw two.
Okay, wait. Rianshi, when you saw the worm, how did it look? Tell me. How did it look, darling? Like a rubber band, like a thick rubber band, trying to walk everywhere. If you know,
Yes.
worms walk in a very funny way, twang, 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 like that. Like they have some very funny movement. Very funny, like a rubber band, you know, like a thick rubber band, and it tries to move.
Like my mummy finger is going.
Like your finger is going. See how my finger is going? Can you see? That's exactly how most of the worms move. They pull themselves along the ground and they go, right? They don't have legs, not like our legs. They have many little legs which help them to move forward. So, well, I get scared of worms, but if you don't get scared of worms, that's good. You should go and look at one. Sometimes in the building garden and all, when it rains, you'll see which worms, you know, Which worms come out? Earthworms.
Earthworm. I saw waterworm and landworm both.
Wow, cool. That's very good. I have not seen a waterworm till now. I get scared of worms.
What's
But
a waterworm?
a waterworm is a worm that lives in water. Earthworm is a worm that lives in the earth. Earth means the mud.
Land.
When you go the land, yeah. But when you go into all the mud, that's called earth also. Okay, like how our Mother Earth is made of mud, right? That's why we can grow crops and all. If you go to another planet, can you grow crops? You know what crops are? Wheat and rice, what we eat with our food.
Yes, in Jupiter, there's no life. In Neptune, there's no life. In Pluto,
And Mars. Correct. So one day, next class, maybe what we'll do is, we will do a song about planets. Okay. I love the planets. I love space. Now, I'm going to take attendance in a very funny way. When I call your name, if you're there, you have to jump up and down 3 times for me. Ready? Are you all ready to do that? Okay. Pratham, let me see you jumping. Even I'll jump with you all if you all want. Come on. Are you present? You have to jump up and down and say, I'm present. I'm present. Let me see. Yes. Come on. Okay. That's good. Jaden, are you present?
Yes.
Let's see the jumping. Oh! Awesome. Nia, are you present? Nia? Come on, Nia. Jumping.
Are you present?
Awesome.
Okay.
Lovely. Arush is absent. Let me write over here. Arush is absent. Riyanshi Desai, are you present? Are you present? Come on, jump up and down. Hurry, Riyanshi is called, did not log in again. No, there she is. Okay. After that, Diti. Ivana, are you present, Ivana? Ivana, did she log back in? No? She didn't log. Yes, I know, darling. I know. Ivana is not on the call, no? Her call dropped. Sanvi, are you present? Let me see you jumping. Come on, Sanvi. No, not in the chair. Who jumps in the chair? Come on, move the chair and jump. Be careful of your toes, though. Yeah. Come on. Very good. All right. Maneet, are you present? Come on, Maneet. Let me see you jumping up and down. Come on, Maneet. I'm present. Yes, I'm present. Yes. Awesome. Samaya, are you present? Come on, Samaya. Come on, darling. Yay, Samaya's present. Very good. Ian, are you present? Awesome. Nivant, are you present? Nivant? Come on, Nivant. 3 jumps. No, 1, 2, 3. Riyanshi Karkera, come on. Your turn to jump, darling. Very good. Shaurya, your turn to jump. Come on. Shaurya, are you present? Awesome, Shaurya. Kabir. Come on, Kabir. 3 jumps. Come on, Kabir.
I'm present.
Very good, darling. Nandini. Come on, Nandini. Your turn. Nandini. Come on, baby. I'm present. Come on, Nandini. Jump. 1, 2, 3. 3 times. Nandini, 3 times. Come on, baby. 3. Okay. Very good. Dhruv. Come on, Dhruv.
I'm present.
Awesome. Aradhya, come on. Aradhya. Jumping time. Very good. So now I know all those who were jumping were present. Okay. Those who were not there, not jumping, were not present. Now, is there some last song that you all want to sing? Do you all want to sing one last song before we end our class? Which song?
Want to sing Let It Go.
Mr.
Potato.
Mr. Potato
Let
and
It Go.
Let It Go.
Yes,
And
Mr. Potato.
But children, Mr.
So you
Mr.
said.
Now,
So you said.
now,
So
wait, children, not at one time.
you
Now,
said.
quiet, don't unmute and talk, please. Now, Ojas, I didn't see you jumping properly. Show me again. Jump one more time, come on. I didn't see you properly. That screen shifted up. Very good, Ojas, very good. All of you are going to become high jump specialists, I think. Huh? Both. Rianshi Desai, did you jump for me? Come on. You jumped?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Now, I can't play Let It Go and Mr. Potato just now, but I will play it for the next class because this class we played 2 songs. You remember? You remember that we played? Today we will end with one of our songs which we've learned. Now, which one do you want to do? Which one do you want to do? I will allow you all to choose that. So you tell me which one.
Blue sea, deep blue sea. Deep blue sea. Deep blue sea.
Shall we do the pet? Let's do the pet song. Let's do the pet song.
Yes, pet song.
Okay. Long time.
Your wings.
Yes.
I want to
Let's do pet song. Now, children. I have to mute you all if you all talk. Yes.
This way, that way.
Let's play the pet song. Okay. We'll play the pet song for the last song today. Okay. Because what happened now? You all want to play that other one. Don't look so sad. Okay, come on. Whatever one you all want. The one we shared last time. Don't look sad, please.
This,
Then I feel
this,
yeah,
side.
yes.
That side.
Who remembers what is that? Who
This
remembers
side,
what that?
that
Yes.
way, that way.
Okay. Come on. We will do this one.
Side.
Ready?
Down,
Are you all ready?
down.
Over the deep blue sea. Very good. I want to see actions now. Okay. Ready? All of you out of your chairs. Take one sip of water. Take one sip. Come on. Last song for the evening. Oh, 1 minute. Hold on. Hold on, huh, children. Give me 1 second, please. It was the end of the song and I did not realize. Hold on. Oopsie doopsie.
I could
Give me
sing it.
1 second. Oh no. Oops, a daisy. Okay. Give me a second now. It's playing. Just ready? Everybody out of the chairs. Sorry about that. The song was not playing for some reason. Some silly reason. I don't know what reason. Oops. Hold. I'll just increase my screen first. 1 second. Okay.
The sunny day when we went to play
Down by the sea. Very good. Come on. Ready? Let's do the last part fast.
'Twas a sunny day when I went to play down by the sea. I climbed aboard a pirate ship and the captain said to me,
We're going this way, that way, forward, backwards, up and down, over the deep blue sea.
Now you must keep your hands ready for the next time.
'Twas a windy day when I went to play down by the sea. I climbed aboard a pirate ship and the captain said to me,
We're going this way, that way, forward, backwards, up and down, over the deep blue sea.
Remember, children,
'Twas a rainy day when I went to play down.
children, I'm pausing for a minute. See, you have to, after it was a rainy day when I went to play down by the sea. I climbed aboard a pirate ship and the captain said to me. Now, 1 minute, Sanvi, please 1 minute, darling. 1 minute. So your hands have to be out like this. Very good, Sanvi. I know you know the song, but 1 second for the others who don't know. Your hands must be like this. Then you'll say this way, that way, forward. You bring your hands forward. Forward, backward, up and down, over the deep blue sea. Okay, that's the action. Let's try. Don't worry, you all will learn. I know that.
Down by the sea, I climbed aboard a pirate ship and the captain said to me,
We're going this way, that way, forwards, backwards, up and down, over the deep blue sea.
'Twas a snowy day when I went to play down by the sea. I climbed aboard a pirate ship and the captain said to me,
We're going this way, that way, forwards, backwards, up and down, over the deep blue sea.
'Twas a stormy day when I went to play down by the sea. I climbed aboard a pirate ship and the captain said to me,
We're going this way, that way, forwards, backwards, up and down, over the deep blue sea. This way, that way, forwards, backwards, up and down, over the deep blue sea. This way, that way, forwards, backwards, up and down, over the deep blue sea.
So how many could do all the actions? How many of you could do all the actions?
This way, that way, forward, backward, up and down, over the deep blue sea.
Very good. So many of you have learned the song already, is it?
I could sing it fast and also.
Very good, Sanvi. Very good.
There was a stormy day down by the
Now what I'm going to do now, today or tomorrow, I will send all the links for the songs, because I told you all in February, one person from London will come to check how you all are singing. That time you will get your first international certificate for a performance. So for that we have to practice our actions. Okay, I will be there singing. Even for your exam, I will be there. You all will not be alone. I will be there singing with you. I will never leave you alone. So you never have to get scared. But we must learn our actions better and better. Okay. Okay. Now, yes, yes, yes.
I know how to sing a pirate ship.
I know.
There was a stormy day down by
No,
the sea.
it was a stormy day when I went. I'm sending you the link. Okay, Manit? I'm putting it on the group. All of you can learn the song. Okay? Learn it. Very good. Very good. Okay, now children, it's time to say bye-bye. So how do I say bye-bye? Wait.
Bye, teacher.
How do I say bye-bye to you all? Auf Wiedersehen. Au revoir. Alvida. Bye-bye. Jomin, auf Wiedersehen. Yes, au revoir. Ciao. Bye. Alvida. Enjoy your evening. Thank you for being wonderful children. Bye-bye. Bye. Alvida. Alvida Sanvi. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Lovely Rianchi. That looks beautiful, whatever that. Hello.
Good morning, teacher.
Good afternoon, Rian. How are you doing today?
How are you?
I'm very well. Thank you. How are you, Rian? How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay. So you had a lovely weekend. What did you do on the weekend? What did you do on Saturday and Sunday? Vian, no troubling your mama.
Granny's birthday.
Oh, lovely. Granny's birthday. What did you do? Did you make a card for Granny? Did you make a card for Granny? No? Next time, will you try and remember to make a card for Granny? Hi, Swarali. Your call had dropped, darling. Now you're back. Hi, baby.
You, ma'am.
Hello, Sanaya. How are you doing today?
I'm fine, ma'am. How are you?
Very well. Thank you, Sanaya. That was well spoken. Hi, Niti. How are you doing today? Your
Fine,
sound
thank you. How about you?
lovely. But Niti, with a little smile, okay? with a small little smile. So otherwise, you know how it sounds, like I told you. Suppose you say hello to somebody and you're very sick. I'm fine. How are you? Like a robot. I'm fine. How are you? Suppose I say hi to Atharva like a robot. Hello, Atharva. How are you today? Then how will Atharva say hi to me? Atharva? Like a robot. But let's not talk like robots, okay? Atharva, how are you doing today?
I'm fine. I am fine.
Thank you. How are you? You have to say that, remember? Try, Atharva.
I'm fine. Thank you. How are you?
Okay, but you must try without Mama saying. Mama, you and I and all our friends here, we'll have fun learning it. Okay? We will get it if we keep saying Atharva. Okay? That's such a good boy. Hey, Gurudat. Good afternoon. How are you doing today?
I'm fine. How are you?
Oh, Gurudat, that sounded very much like a robot. I'm fine. Thank you. How are you? So can you say, Gurudat, can you say hello like how you normally say? Hello, hi, I'm good, thank you. What happened, Gurudat? Some volume, some sound issue, is it? Hi, Myra, why is your video off, darling? Myra. Ah, there's so many children have entered already. So children, I'm going to ask you all each a question. Let's see what you all answer. Wait, let these other two join, okay? Let these other 2 or 3 join. So I'm going to ask you, so Vian, what's your favorite food? What do you love to eat? What's your favorite food? Now, Vian, no looking and troubling, Mama. Class time is between you, me, and all your friends. Come on now. It's nice to make mistakes and all that.
My favorite food is chicken.
Oh, lovely. Very nice. Okay. Hi, Advika. Good afternoon. How are you doing today, darling?
Hi, Mom.
Hi. Who's saying hi? Who said hi? Hi, Tamanna. Good afternoon. How are you doing today?
Good, Mom.
Thank you. How about you? Hey, Sarthak, I can see your cute little emojis that you're sending. How are you doing today, Sarthak? Advika, how are you doing?
Good, thank you. How are you?
Very good. But you must look at me when you say that. Can you say again? Try. Don't get scared, darling. It's okay to make some mistakes. It's okay if we don't say it smoothly. Okay? We must all try and talk to each other. Then we enjoy it and we learn. Okay? So, Myra. 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 Your video's off, darling. Hi, Nishka. How are you doing today? Hi, Nishka.
Hi.
I'm doing
How
well.
are you?
I'm doing well. Thank you.
I'm fine. Thank you. How about you?
Awesome. I'm doing really good and very happy when I hear you all talk like that. Very happy. You're all picking. Hi, Ratnya. Good afternoon. How are you doing today, sweetheart? Thank you.
How are you?
I'm doing well. Ratnya, so when we talk, I was just telling the other kids here one. Today Gurudat spoke to me like he's a robot, very serious. When I said, hi Gurudat, how are you doing? So Gurudat said, I'm well, thank you. How about you? So what we must do when we talk. Hi Purvi, welcome back. Hi, good evening Ayansh. Good evening Purvi, Myra.
Ma'am, I was in bathroom.
Okay, darling. Okay. All right, Myra.
Ma'am,
Yes,
excuse me, ma'am. I want to say something.
yes, yes,
See my
Nishka. Lovely. Very beautiful, sweetheart. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. Govindan, why is your video off? Put your video on. Put your video on. So, when we talk, hi Govindan, how are you doing today? Good afternoon.
I am good tiger too.
Okay, I heard. Govindan, I heard. Ayansh, how are you doing today?
I
Ayansh,
put it hard. I put it tired too.
very pretty,
Now say.
very pretty,
I'm
Nishka.
doing very happy.
You're doing very happy. I'm doing really well. Say, Ayansh. Ayansh, say, I'm doing really well.
I'm doing
Very.
well. I'm well.
Thank you. Say, after that, how about you?
Thank you.
Very good,
Thank
Ayansh.
you.
That's how we learn. Very good. Purvi, how are you doing today, darling? You're better? You didn't attend class last
I'm
time.
well, thank you.
Very good. Very good. Okay. No eating your hand up. Didn't you have lunch? Are you eating your hand up? Okay. Myra, how are you doing, darling?
How about you?
I'm doing well too, Ayansh. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. We wait for a few seconds more. It's already 3:19. They should have joined. There's some who have not yet joined. Let me just message, okay? On the group. Myra, how are you doing, baby? Myra?
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, sweetheart. How are you doing today?
I'm doing fine.
Thank you.
How are you?
I'm doing well. That was smoothly spoken. Very good. All right. So children, last time we have some now from the past couple of times, we have one or two very favorite songs of ours, right? One is Do the Turkey Hop. Another one is Tiny Tim. Can anybody tell me which other one is one of our favorites now? Which one?
Lowest lava song.
Which one? Which one? The pet song? You're like the Blue Beluga? Baby Beluga. Who likes? Okay, okay. Yes, Farali. Yes, Farali.
Baby Beluga.
Baby Beluga.
Beluga.
Okay, so that means lots of you, wait. A lot of you like. Okay, not all at one time. Remember, then I have to mute because then I won't be able to talk. What happens in my earphones, you know, children? What happens when I'm listening to you all? 3, 4, 5, 6 voices come in and I'm like, huh? Who do I answer? Who do I answer first? Then it becomes a problem, right? So I won't be able to answer you all properly. So when you finish talking, you must put yourself on mute. Okay? Now, what I'm saying is, at least we know what our favorite songs are. We love
Turkey Hop.
Turkey Hop. Even mine, Vian. Even I love Do the Turkey Hop. It's my favorite. But even I like even Baby Beluga because the tune is so cute, no? Baby Beluga. Now,
I like Baby Beluga and Turkey Hop.
Turkey Hop. So let's run through one or two of them. Okay, one or two of the songs. First,
I like Turkey Hop too.
Okay, so let's start with Turkey Hop today. Now, hi Kian, how are you doing today?
I'm doing fine, ma'am.
Thank you. How about you?
Good, ma'am. How about you?
Okay, that's good. That's good. That's lovely. That's a smooth answer. Now, children, remember what I said about keeping yourselves on mute after your talk? See, yes. We'll put Baby Beluga also. We'll put Baby Beluga. We'll go through all our songs. Today is the beginning of the week. We'll go through our songs, which are favorites first. Then I'll show you all one or two very funny songs after that. Okay? Now, I'll take your attendance right at the end because some of the kids join a little later. Purvi, what happened, darling? You're not smiling like you normally do. What happened, sweetheart? Smile, come on. I want to see you smile. I love your smile. All of you. You know, your children, when you all smile, you know, because you're all little angels. Okay, all of you. So when you all smile, something happens when children smile. You know, everybody feels very happy. Govindan, look at him smiling now. When Govindan smiles, look at that. Look at Ayansh. Ayansh, where's your smile? Let's all smile together. Come on. Let's all smile. And you all have so cute, all of you, your faces. See, Atharva is smiling. Iti is smiling. Vian is smiling. Swarali is smiling. Sanaya, You're not smiling with us. Tamanna is smiling. Sarthak is smiling. Nishka is smiling. Radhya is smiling. All of us smiling. Myra, one big smile, baby. Kian, awesome. Are we ready to dance? Let's, Gurudat, dancing time. Move the chairs away. Let's go turkey hop first. We'll all go by one for our favorites, okay? All the favorites. I know it's turkey hop, it's baby beluga, it's Tiny Tim. These are your favorites.
My favorite is baby beluga.
Okay, darling. Even I love baby beluga. Okay, we shall do even baby beluga. Okay. Okay, turkey hop first. Okay, first we'll do turkey hop because I had already kept turkey hop ready any which ways. All right. Now are you ready to stand up and dance? Are you ready to do that? Are you ready, children? Say yes. Say yes. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now remember, we must start learning all the actions slowly and steadily. Okay. All of us, we must show that. All right. Now I'm going to spotlight myself so you can see the actions nicely. Okay. Okay.
Any turkeys around here that want to dance?
Come on, come on.
All right, get ready now.
I'll know the hop.
Do the turkey hop.
Hop, 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 hop.
Do the turkey run.
Run.
Run. Do the turkey hop. It's a lot of fun. Woo!
Run, turkeys, run!
Well, now flap your wings
Flap, flap, flap.
like the turkeys do.
Flap, flap, flap.
Then run from the farm before he catches you. Woo! Run away, little turkeys.
Now shake your tail
Take your tail, how we discuss?
like the turkeys do. Then run from the farmer before he catches you. Run, turkeys, run!
Well, scratch the ground with your feet. Scratch, scratch, scratch. Just like the turkeys do. Scratch, scratch, scratch. Then run from the farmer before he catches you. Run, little turkeys. Well, do the turkey hop. Hop, hop, hop. Do the turkey run. Run. Do the turkey gobble. It's a lot of fun. Do the turkey gobble. It's a lot of fun.
So, that was our first favorite.
Got hurt.
Who got hurt? Somebody got hurt? Who got hurt?
Purvi.
How you got hurt, darling? You banged your toe? Banged your toe? Is it okay? You pressed it little bit? Is it very badly paining, very badly? You want to sit down? You can sit. You need to sit. Sit, darling. Be careful, okay, children, when you are running about. You got hurt when you were running, to Purvi, on your toe. If you feel better, will you get up and dance with us? Only if you feel better, okay, sweetheart? Now, everybody drink one sip of water. Where is your energy for dancing? In this glass of water, come on. Everybody, one sip of water, quickly, before we get to our next song. And today, we'll continue to discuss those words. You remember, when we did turkey hop, what?
I'll go to bathroom.
Go, darling. Go.
Ma'am,
Yes,
can
Nishka.
I go to washroom?
Yes, go quickly and come. All of you who want to go to the washroom, go quickly. Go. Now remember, last time we discussed those words. Govindan. Remember? Last Govindan. Come. Govindan, come. Ayansh. Remember last time? Gurudat, Atharva, Vian, Sanaya, Swarali. We discussed some words. Tamanna, do you remember? Do you all remember? We said, do the turkey hop, we said. Then we took out the H from that word. Do you remember? And then we said, after we said do the turkey hop, we took out the H and we said top. Then we said, what else we said? Top, and what we said? Cop. And what we said? Who else remembers any word from there? Kian?
Hop.
Hop, hop, not hope. Hop. Say hop, darling.
Hop, hop, hop.
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 Remember, let me show you all those words. Before we sing again, hold on. Now pay attention. You remember these words? You all remember these? We did top.
Yes.
You all remember? Top, top. You all remember? So that's what I was trying to remind you. That we did some of the words. You all remember that, no? Yes. Okay. Now, who's making so much of noise? No. Then I have to mute everybody at one time. No, it's not nice. Don't talk in between, okay? Because it's very difficult for me, darlings. Now, let's move to our next song. So we revise all our songs which we've done so far. Myra, what's your favorite song? Myra? You're on mute, baby. What's your favorite song, Myra? Every time I'm going to ask one or two of you all, what's your favorite song?
Baby
Okay, but
Beluga.
Oh, I think we have to play Baby Beluga now.
Ma'am. Okay.
Yes, Nishka?
My sound is okay now. I'm okay.
Oh, you're okay,
I
darling?
made it.
Okay, okay. Very nice, Nishka. But Nishka, can we see it after class, darling? After class? Okay? Come on, who's going to now? Okay, okay, Purvi, I understood. Okay, now, okay, all of you stay on mute. Now, tell me who's willing to sing the song for me, Baby Beluga, without us playing the video first. Let's see who wants to play who's going to sing Baby Beluga for me? Is anybody willing to sing Baby Beluga? Who's going to sing? Anybody wants to? Come on, let's have fun. Who are singing Baby Beluga just now for me? No? Baby Beluga. Who wants to sing with me? Come on, sing. Sing. Baby Beluga in the deep blue sea, swimming wild and swimming so free. Heaven above and the sea below. Very good. You're all trying. See the little white wave on the go. Okay. Okay, that was good singing. That was good singing for now. Everybody stand up. Now remember, during Baby Beluga, we must learn to sway a little bit, okay? Just because there are not all steps all the time, we have to say, baby, sway your hands. You all know how to sway. You all know how to shimmer. I've taught you all to shimmer, to sway, okay? So you must do some dance action. Then it's fun. Is that a deal? Say yes, ma'am, it's a deal. Deal? Are we going to dance? Okay. Okay, come on. Everybody stand up. Everybody stand up. Stand up. We're going to dance to Baby Beluga. Ready? Children, are you ready?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, hold on a second. Hold on a second. There we go. Our favorite song. Whoops. Not yet started. Hold on. Who's scribbling on the screen? Who's this naughty puppy? Who's scribbling? No scribbling on the screen during the song. Wait a second. The sound did not get shared. 1 second. Hold on. Give me a second, okay? All right, y'all can hear now? All right. Ready? Stand up now. Come on, children. Our favorite
Baby beluga in the deep blue sea, swimming so wild and
Do the
swim
swimming.
so free. Heaven above and the sea below, and the little white whale on the go. Baby beluga, oh baby beluga,
Very good.
is the water warm?
Very good, Purvi.
Is your mama
Kanya.
home with you so happy? Way down yonder where the dolphins play, where they dive and splash all day. Waves rolling and the waves roll out. See the water squirting out of your spout. Baby beluga, oh baby beluga, sing your little song, sing for all your friends. We like to hear you.
Remember sway? Sway? Very good, Kanya. Very good, Purvi. Neeti. Come on, Govindan. Come on, Sartha. Sanaya. Come on. Myra. Tamanna. Gurudas, are you dancing? Ayan.
When it's dark, you're home and fed, curled up snug in your water bed. Moon is shining and the stars are out. Good night, little whale, good night. Baby beluga, oh baby
We're gonna do
beluga,
this, yeah.
with tomorrow's sun, another day's begun. You'll soon be waking. Baby beluga in the deep blue sea, swim so wild and you swim so free.
Very good, Kanya.
Heaven above and the sea below, and a little white whale on the go. You're just a little white whale on the go.
So now, children, you must remember that with this song, you all must learn to sway. Who all was swaying properly today?
Who is scribbling?
One naughty little puppy is scribbling on my screen. I will not shout. 4-5 times I'll say, don't scribble, don't scribble. Then also I won't shout. I'll say, please don't scribble. Okay? We'll have some scribbling time one day, okay? Where I allow you all to scribble on my screen. But when in the middle of the song, don't scribble, okay? Children? Atharva, did you like that song? You liked that song? Atharva, what is your favorite song?
Favorite song?
Come dive with me.
Come dive with me, you like? How cute. Okay, today we can do all the old favorites, whatever you all like till now. You want to do come dive with me? You all want to do come dive with me under the sea. Let's do come dive with me. Come on. We'll do one old one, one new one. After come dive with me, we will do, what is that song we said we'll do? We did Baby Beluga. Tamanna, what song? Nishka, you, Niti, you.
Pirate ship one.
Okay. So first we'll do come dive with me. Then we will do the pirate ship one, okay? Because Purvi has hurt her toe. I don't want her to be sad. We need to get Purvi to be happy because her toe must be hurting her. Right, children? We are all together now. We should all make Purvi happy. Okay? Okay, give me 1 second. Let me copy this file for the come dive with me. Come dive with me under the sea. It's called, na? Okay. One moment, children. Let me just set that. So all of you seem to have some favorites, huh? It's very good. I like that you'll all have some favorite songs. It's very important. Okay, I'm also going to show you all one new song which I found, which is a very old Sesame Street song about one fellow called the Count. He's the Count of Counting. Does anybody watch? Has anybody ever watched Sesame Street? Have you all seen Sesame Street anytime? No? Then I'll introduce you all to a little bit of Sesame Street, okay, today?
I don't see.
I have not seen. Not I don't see. I have not seen. Okay? Come on. Are you all ready for come dive with me? Say yes. Can you all see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. I will put your video
Yes.
panel. Come on, get ready to dance now. We all know these steps. We are revising them. Slowly and slowly, we must become better and better at the steps. Kian, I don't see you dancing lots, huh? Come on. I know you're a good dancer. Let's see you. Everybody, one sip of water before we dance. One sip of water. Everybody. Radnya. Purvi, your video's off, darling. Put your video on, baby. Vian, good boy. Very good. Drink water. Swarali, you're drinking water. Atharva, you drank water. Sanaya, you drank some water. Where is Sanaya? Sanaya, Nishka, drink your water. Come on. Kian, Advika, drink water. There, now we have this one.
Ma'am, I drink water 1 glass.
I drank 1 glass of water. Say, darling. I drank 1 glass of water. Correct.
1 glass of water.
Correct. Very good. Hi, Ananya. You joined late, darling. How are you doing today, Ananya? No problem, ma'am.
Hi, Bada.
It happens. It happens. Hi, Ananya. Hi, sweetheart. How are you doing today?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Thank you. How about you? Come on, get ready to dance, Ananya. Drink 1 sip of water quickly. Come on. We're doing come dive with me. We're doing come dive with me. After this, we are doing turkey hop and we'll do some words, okay? Ready? Sarthak, move away from your chair. Get onto the dance floor. Ayansh, come on. Myra, get ready to dance. Come on.
Hey there. I'm so glad you
Come on. Oops, daisy. Give me 1 second, 1 second, 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. 1 second, huh? It stopped. Hold on. 1 minute, children. Whoops, daisy. 1 second, 1 second. Sorry, kids. Just give me 1 second. Now, remember, I joined this call a little earlier. So that means you all might get cut off or something. Hold on. Alrighty, let's do our dance. And if the network, whenever the call gets over, please remember to join back. Can you all see my screen? Say yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, let's get it started. Come on, our favorite this is. Whoops.
dive in.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, come on, come on. Oh. No scrambling, huh?
Spread your wings like a stingray. Sway left, sway right. Star jump like a starfish. Open and close, nice and wide. Tiptoe from side to side. Like a clap, clickety clack. Jiggle like a jellyfish. Jiggle to the front, jiggle to the back. Let me see you jiggle to the front. Jiggle to the back. Jiggle to the front. And jiggle to the back. Whoa. Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. Whoa.
1 second.
Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. Whoa. Let's go.
Come dive with me. Come on, children, dance. Dance. Hi. Come on, Ratna.
Come dive with me.
Purvi, come on.
Under the sea.
Purvi.
Secret
Nishka, Ayan.
Dive like a dolphin. Dive up, dive down. Shimmer like a kingfish. He's a king without a crown. Hunts like a great white shark. Circle round and round. Camouflage like an octopus. Never
Remember
to
the
be
counting,
found.
counting.
Where did he go?
Octopus.
Mr. Octopus. Did
Come
you
on,
know that an
Dian,
octopus
Ira.
has 8 arms?
Ananya.
1 arm, 2 arms, 3 arms, 4 arms, 5 arms, 6 arms, 7 and 8. Wow! golden apple.
After long we heard this one, na? Children, after very long we heard this, na? After a long time.
The pirate ship song.
Yes, we'll do the pirate ship one also. But first we'll do turkey hop. No, turkey hop we did, na? We did turkey hop. We did baby beluga.
Baby beluga.
Baby beluga we did. Sanaya, were you dancing? I couldn't see you, darling. Were you dancing, Sanaya?
Ma'am.
Yes, Anaya.
I didn't
Ananya.
see turkey hop.
Because you joined late, baby. You joined late. You joined little late. We'll do it again. Okay? Okay, so we'll take everybody, we'll ask everyone to put up their hands because Ananya wants to see turkey hop and dance to turkey hop again. So if everybody wants to dance, then we can do that again.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I know some sentence.
Yes.
Of
Tell me. With?
Bengali.
With?
Bengali.
What's Bengali? Bengali? Then what?
No.
Then what?
Bengali. Under the sea.
Oh, that way. Okay, okay, okay. So, come dive with me. It's come dive with me under the sea, where all the sea creatures are living happily.
Living happily.
Correct. So that way we'll get a part and part and part of the song and we'll put it together. Okay. Now, because we did this one after a long time, all of you didn't remember the actions. Otherwise, in the beginning, Kovandan, you danced nicely. I saw you. Kovandan, Purvi, you were happy with the song? You were happy?
Was singing the song.
Okay, okay, okay. Now, one more dance one before I do some words. Oh, we'll take a little break. I want to show you all the word screen. Gurudat, pay attention. This is your favorite part. Gurudat, this is your favorite part. Do you all remember, children? Last time when we were doing words, you remember? See? Can you all see my screen clearly?
Yes.
Children? Yes. Now you remember? We took the word hop from turkey hop. Do the turkey hop. Hop, hop, hop. You remember that, right? H-O-P, H-O-P, H-O-P. Hop, hop, hop. Now, when we took out H, you remember we took out H and we told the H go away. Only O and P. Then what did we add? We added C, we added M, we added P, we added T, and we got so many words. Cop, mop, pop, top. You remember those words, children? Who remembers? Everybody remembers?
Pop, mop, pop, mop, pop, top.
Yes, very good. Vian, you remember the words, darling? You remember the words? Swarali, you remember the words, baby? You remember?
Yes.
Very good. Now, what if we add 2 alphabets in front? Can you tell me? Can you tell me anybody? Gurudat and Vian, Atharva, Swarali, I want all of you to pay attention. Suppose we think that, can you tell me if we add 2 alphabets in front?
Hop, mop, pop, bop, hop, mop.
You know, when we go on the road, very good. Who's reading that? Who's reading that?
Pop, Ayan.
Very good, Ayan. Very good. Very good. All those who are reading, that's a very good thing. Now, pay attention, okay? I want to tell you all something. Now, pay attention. Now, when we go on the road for a walk, children, sometimes we go, no, Sanaya, we go on the road to walk. And there's that traffic light there, right? There's a red light, there's a green light, and there's a yellow light. All of you have seen it? Purvi, you've seen it? Kian, where are you?
Yes.
You'll have seen it, right? So what does that red light say? What does the red light say? What does it tell us to
Stop.
do?
Stop.
Very good. Can anybody spell for me stop?
Stop the car.
Anybody knows how to spell?
Red light says stop.
Correct.
Stop. Stop.
Stop. Now, not at one time, not at one time, no talking at one time. It becomes one big jumbled thing. Okay. Now, who can spell stop for me? Does anybody know how to spell stop? Gurudat, you want to take a try? You want to take a try, Gurudat? You want to take a try? Stir. What is stir? S and t. You remember we did A, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, A, G, G. Remember? S and t. What is s and t?
T-O-P.
Who said that spelling for me just now? Is that Radnya? Say again. Come on.
T-O-P.
T-O-P is stop. What is this? What is this? S. What is this? If I put two alphabets here, S, T, can you see here? What does this become? What it becomes? Stop. It becomes stop, correct? It becomes stop. Did you all understand? Now don't worry about that. That's a little big word, but we will deal with it again. Now we can see our alphabets here on the screen. Can you all see your alphabets on the screen? Remember, remember these words?